And people are still getting long COVID. Here's what Hannah Davis told me. She has long COVID herself and co founded an advocacy group called the Patient Led Research Collaborative.
It has been downplayed. We have seen so much long COVID in the last year, 2 years. Long COVID rates, have remained high in people who are vaccinated. It's remained high over different variants.
And I hear the same message from doctors who are seeing new patients alongside those who got sick 2, 3, 4 years ago and have not recovered.
And what are the challenges in coming up with the treatment?
It comes down to clinical trials. There just aren't enough of them. A few years ago, there were a handful looking at drugs. Dr. Michael Peluso told me by his count, there are now about 50, including some that Peluso is involved in at the University of California, San Francisco. But he says the reality is we just need a lot more for such a complex condition.
There are dozens of existing drugs that should be tested. We have drugs that can target almost every single one of the different mechanisms we think might be contributing to long COVID. But so far, we've launched way too few trials to actually do that with intense effort.